Hello friends, today we'll check how to install tempered glass on an iPhone, the easiest way and the fastest way to install the tempered glass. And this is iPhone 14 Pro Max and this is LK2 tempered glass. Okay, let's unbox it and let's see what they have given inside the tempered glass. And I believe it has the tempered glass and the lens protector included in the box. Okay, so it's a very fancy box and you can see there is a frame, plastic box type frame is there, and apart from that there is an envelope in which you have an installation kit and another tempered glass. And this installation kit, they have provided some cloth, microfiber cloth, and also some wet cloth to clean the display of this phone. Okay, wet wipes and microfiber cloth. Let me uncover this iPhone. Okay, so first we will clean this display glass properly with a dry cloth, and after that we will use the wet cloth to properly clean it. And this is a frame where we'll keep the iPhone. Okay, according to your camera bump you can keep it, it will fit properly. Then I will clean it properly with a wet cloth. Now we will again use the dry cloth to remove the water or some chemical included in it. So it seems properly clean. Then I will close this frame, properly close it in all the corners. And there is a plastic, you have to drag it, okay, so that it will remove the plastic and the screen protector, and the screen protector will be installed on the display. See, so slowly you have to remove that one, then just press it so that it will automatically fit on the display. Okay, after it's done, if you see some air bubbles, then you have to remove that frame. Okay, now it seems the screen protector is identically placed over the display, and we have some air bubbles, like 2 air bubbles on the display. So you just wipe that out in a cloth, otherwise you have to wait until it's gone by itself by the heat of the display. Otherwise you can use the plastic plate given inside the box to just remove the air bubbles. See how I'm removing? In this way you can remove it, it's completely gone, and you can see it's identically placed. Okay, it's corner to corner, there is no misplaced happen. So it was easy and fast. Let's check another envelope given in the box. We have 2 lens protector to protect the camera lens. Okay, so before that you have to just wash the lens, your camera lens, with a microfiber cloth given inside the box. So now it's properly cleaned all over the camera lens, and you can see. Now just unwrap that plastic and just simply place it according to your lens. It will automatically fixed, you can see. But thing is, it's not that strong enough to hold that, because after some days maybe it will remove. And you can now see the camera quality difference between without protector and with protector. You can see without protector is very clean and no reflection, but with protector we have some reflection and hazy image. So it's better to not use the lens protector, but the screen protector is very good. There is no touch issue, and also the display visibility is also good, including viewing angle. So this is all about this video. Thanks for watching this video.